Good morning, TJ. We hope you're excited for Stress Less, Laugh More Week in anticipation for AP exams. My name is Shrishti.
And my name's Alex. Today is Tuesday, April 27th.
If you enjoy organizing school-wide events, being the voice of the student body, and working with faculty to tackle policy issues, then run for a SGA Officer position. Please see the election packet at tinyurl.com/TJSGA elections for detailed descriptions of each position, candidacy requirements, and important deadlines. Election materials are due on Friday, May 4th at 2:30 p.m.
TJ NHS is holding a book drive until April 30th for kids that need to read. For in-person students, please drop off your books at the cafeteria. Please only donate books in nearly new condition without writing in them.
It's that time of the year where students frantically ring up teachers for recommendations. However, with the primary communication between teachers and students being a digital screen this year, teachers have started to question who they're even writing about.
It's that time of year when students ask teachers for recommendations from them in preparation for college applications. This can be a stressful time to not only students but also the teachers and counselors who write from 30 to 80 recommendations per year. But what exactly do they write about?
I will write more about the way you approach the content, not the grade that you got, but the way you think about it.
Another thing that recommendations can do that is helpful is give context. If the student's grades in sophomore year were much lower than the grades in freshman year or junior year, it's helpful for admissions to know.
One key point they each emphasized was the importance of student-teacher interactions.
The counselor is more like a floodlight over the student's whole high school career, and it really depends on how well the student and the counselor know each other. I think back about impressions that a particular student has made on me. I think about any anecdotes that I might have to share during our interactions. I think about personal qualities that I admire.
But with interaction between students and staff being limited through a black screen, how do teachers try to circumvent this issue?
Certainly this year, when students are requesting recommendations from me, I'm asking them to write a lot about what this class has meant to them, and what they have found difficult, what they feel like they've learned, what they think that I as a teacher can say about them that no other teacher can say about them.
This all sounds like a lot of trouble to go through, but teachers maintain that it is vital to success in the admissions process as the significance of teacher recommendations increase.
So the admissions package are more complicated and more problematic than they used to be. That I think college essays and teacher recommendations are going to play a larger role than they would have in other years.
Although asking for college recommendations might be stressful, you're not alone in your struggles. Every college applicant has to go through this, and if students before you have done it, you can too.
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and listen to the TJTV Podcast Network on SoundCloud. For TJTV News, this is Shrishti Ghosh
And Alex Zhao. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next week.